Introduction. Making soap at home is a very rewarding experience. It is also a way of reducing home expenses since it is inexpensive, could be used in making worthy gifts for friends and loved ones. A natural soap is one that is manufactured with natural ingredients such as vegetable oils and animal fats. One of the easiest ways to make soap at home is using the cold process method. The method enables you to decide on the ingredients you want to use and make it in a way that fit your needs. Making a natural soap has 3 main steps, namely gathering the ingredients and equipment needed, making soap, as well as curing and cutting the soap. Gathering the ingredients and equipment. The first step is to gather all the equipment and ingredients that you will need. For instance, to make 450 grams of natural soap, the following materials will be needed. Ensure that 65 grams of lye, 136 grams palm oil, 181 grams olive oil, 136 grams coconut oil and 172 grams distilled water are readily available. The equipment needed are a measuring scale, digital food thermometer, disposable plastic cup, and 2 heat-resistant pitchers. Besides, 2 serving spoons that are stainless steel and long-handled, measuring spoons, rubber spatula and immersion blender are also needed. Making soap. Once all these are in place, the process can begin. Make a soap mold using a small cardboard shoebox that has a lid. Once the soap mixture is ready, it is poured into a mold to enable it to settle. The box has to be lined with a freezer paper and wrapped by old towels. Safety has to be of concern and the process has to be done carefully. The second step in making the soap is where lye is mixed with water. While measuring the correct amount of lye and distilled water, lye is slowly added to the pitcher with water and stirred using the serving spoon for them to mix. The mixture is then left to cool. The step is followed by mixing the oils. Measure the correct amounts of coconut, palm and olive oils respectively and put them in a pitcher. The oils are then heated in a microwave until they melt and then stirred well to ensure they combine. The oils are then added to the lye but must be at the same temperature in order to mix them. Use the digital food thermometer to closely monitor the temperatures and when they are at around 100 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, mix them. Finally, the oil and lime mixtures are blended together. Using the stick blender, stir the mixture until the mixture begins to look like a thick pancake. This takes approximately 3 minutes. Once the soap has emulsified, add any scented oils like lavender, cinnamon or natural food coloring before the soap thickens. The soap is then poured into the mold. Curing and cutting. The final step is to cut the soap. Pour the soap into the mold and make an even layer by spreading it. Leave the mold for 24 hours and uncover it the next day and there you have your homemade soap. Cut the soap into shapes and sizes that you desire and leave them to cure for about a month before they are ready for use. Let air circulate into the bars for them to harden during the month. After 1 month, the soap will be ready for use. The making of soap is a fun process and there will be gifts to give out once you have the perfect soap. StudyCorgi.com has everything you need for successful studies. Writing tools, informative articles, and essay samples. Come check it out!